Hello.
So right now we're gonna be resuming our rebuilding the Green Bay Packers. We're gonna resume, just like last year. We're gonna have 10 minutes to get the positions of need, and yeah, we're gonna make this into a series where we do this till we win a Super Bowl. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sim 2 weeks to get the trading and the re-signing and the free agents. And I believe Lamar Jackson is on his contract year, so I might be able to pick him up if the Ravens don't pick him up. Now we're signing these players. I might let some go. Yeah, like this dude, no. Oh, we need him here. We're gonna give him a nice Mickey Mouse 2-year deal, like $25 million. Alright, he's staying. Oh, Adrian Amos, we want him. 3 years. We'll give him a $30 million exactly. Alright, he's back. Robert Tonyan. He can go. He can go. Is he even our starter? I mean, I'll just give him this. Yeah, he's staying. No. We don't need Randall Cobb. Oh, he's behind 2 people. He's behind 2 people too. Yeah, the rest of the people I don't really care about. So, we're gonna go to free agency number 1. So we're gonna sign a couple free agents. I'm giving myself 5 minutes, or actually no, there's no time limit on this one. Now Kareem Hunt, we do have a pretty good running back who's better than these 2 people. So QB, nope, they resigned. Running back, no. Fullback, no. Wide receiver. No, we don't have any trouble in wide receiver. No, but we do need. I'm actually gonna get McCall again. We're actually gonna get him for like a 2-year, because he's fast, and I want the slot guy on our team to be fast. I want him to be fast. Now we need to sign. It's not a good. I don't want Robert Tonyan back though. I mean, I don't really care. 2 years, $15 million. Oh, we're losing? Nah, bro. 2 years, 20 mil. We have to be winning. Yeah, we're winning. Okay, we're gonna go to the left outside linebacker spot. Now, do we have a? Yeah, we have a good middle linebacker. We're fine. Although I do want a good second middle linebacker, and Quay Walker's not gonna get the job done. I'm in 3rd place. Nah, bro. 2-year deal. 22 mil. We have to be in the league. Yeah, we're in the league. What are corners? We have good corners. Devin McCourty. I guess we could sign him to like a 2-year deal. We'll have him until he's 38. I mean, we're fine with him. Yeah. Strong safety, Julian Love. Yeah, we have Adrian Amos. We're fine. No. Alright. So I think we are going to be done after this one. If everybody does not sign, we're gonna have to go and do the we're just gonna go. Nobody accepted. I know we have to check here. I forgot. We're not. We got McCall. We got Van Rash. We got Devin McCourty. Oh, is that everybody we betted on? Okay, we got Robert Tonyan. Oh, Leo Jones. I don't see him. He's pretty fast. Kyle Fuller, I didn't see him, but he's like down here. Wait, was Raheem Nabeem still there? Yes, Raheem Nabeem is still here. He is really fast. He's kind of short though. Okay, we're gonna send to the draft. Although we have a 3rd round pick, that's all we have. So we're gonna send the draft though. So after the draft, we're actually gonna have we're gonna have 10 minutes to rebuild after the draft because start drafting. Oh, the Bears have the 1st round pick. Okay. In the draft. So, what I think we should do, I do think we should get a better. Oh, I'm not saying trade offers for AJ Dillon. Yes, I'd like to review it. What do we got? There's J.K. Dobbins. No. None of these really interest me because J.K. Dobbins would have to play. He'd have to play backup, and he's a starter. So I don't want to like mess with anything like that. But let's see what our predicted. Okay, we're gonna start the timer. Oh, we're gonna start the timer once I see what our 1st round pick is. Oh, we don't have one for this year. I forgot. Pick 24, not bad. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. So we're gonna go for a quarterback. Except Kyler Murray is 90 overall. And I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna keep him. But can I get a better running back? That is my question because like Javonte Williams, I think I should try to get him. What I'm gonna see is who is our running back right now. I get rid of Aaron Jones and try to get like maybe like who do we need? We need a wide receiver apparently. Jerry Judy's young. I kind of want. And we're gonna try to get a center because it says we don't have a good center, but we do. He's a 73 overall. We need a left end. No, I think our left end's fine. Right guard, our right guard's fine. I guess a right outside linebacker, like Bradley Chubb. Oh, that accepted. All right. So we got a couple of starters. Plus, we still have a 1st round pick. They're trying to get no. Tony Winfield, he's pretty young, I would say. Tom Brady's 46 and he's still playing. Okay. Oh, Julio Jones is not on their team anymore. For literally just a first round pick 24. Oh, not even close. Who wants a... Who has green interest? No.
Okay, you can't just shit on a carpet. And there's a...
Oh, nobody really wants it, but I mean, like a wide receiver or something. I know. What do we need? It says we don't need a tight end, like a really good tight end. Choose someone better than 79. Like Gerald Everett is a veteran. Oh, I didn't realize that. Someone better than a 79 who's young. My Titans are old. Like Kyle Pitts, I mean, he's too young. I don't think we're going to get him. Get rid of our first, second, and third. Bro, how is that not accepted? Titans. This is a heck of a deal if I can get him. Another weapon to throw to. Maybe I could try to get Travis Kelce. I don't think I will be able to though. Yeah, like I don't think. I mean, he's old right now. Yeah, I didn't think we'd be able to get him. Tight end. Who's a good tight end? Do the Lions have? Oh yeah, they have T.J. Huggins up. How is that not accepted? Now this is the confusing part because I don't understand how that's not accepted. They need a right guard. Except I don't have that good of right guard. Just above 26. Whatever. We don't need a tight end, I guess. We have 23. I'm skipping it to 5 minutes just because I don't think I need the full 10 minutes. Because our team is already like really good. Well, I'm gonna try to get Tyler Bass here. Oh, alright, we just hit the mark. 5 minute mark. Now we're gonna sim to the playoffs here. Alright, we're simming to the playoffs. I think we probably will make the playoffs. I do think that we might make the NFC Championship. I think that we might. I think that we have a 50-50 chance of making the Super Bowl this year, just because we have such a good offense, we have such a good defense, that I think we could easily make the playoffs. If our team performs, I think we could easily make the playoffs. Now, once I see that we made the playoffs or didn't make the playoffs, I'm going to sim to the Super Bowl. See if we're going to play. We're going to play, if we make the Super Bowl, we're going to play the whole thing and try to get Kyler Murray his first Super Bowl ring. D-Hop's first Super Bowl ring. I believe Javonte Williams' first ring. I think is Jair Alexander's first ring. So there's a couple people on the team who haven't got a ring yet. Now I do think that I want everybody on this team to get a ring. I want them. Every person on our team, if we win the Super Bowl, every person on our team will have a ring. And that just makes me happy because I want everybody to have a ring. It's happy for them. They've won a Super Bowl. They have won a Super Bowl. And I think that it is incredible to win the Super Bowl. It is hard to win the Super Bowl. Just because you have to play 17, 18 teams per season. And I think that you have to have a good enough record of winning and losing that... Oh, 12-5. Okay. 12-5. Okay. Now we're just going to look at the bracket here. The Broncos and the Bucks at the first round pick. Or the first round back. Now, what we had was the third. Dallas must have had a better record for us or something. I know we're going to upgrade players and we're going to send to the Super Bowl. And hopefully we make a Super Bowl. I think this team is talented enough to make the Super Bowl. I really do. Super Bowl. Alright, come on guys. Let's make the Super Bowl. We're in the second year. Come on, make the Super Bowl. And I'll try my hardest to win the Super Bowl for you guys. If you make the Super Bowl, you did your job by making the Super Bowl. Now I gotta do mine by winning you it. If you make it. You didn't make it to the Super Bowl? What happened? We lost in the first round? How did we lose in the first round? Well, that was expected because both the Broncos probably won the Super Bowl because we gave them Aaron Jones. But we took Cortland Sutton from them, or Jerry Jeudy, whoever it was. Jerry Jeudy from them, and they still playing the Super Bowl. Well, guys, that ends our second video of rebuilding the Green Bay Packers. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Make the red button gray, and I'll come out with a new video in a couple days, or tomorrow, or tonight maybe. I don't know, but I gotta get a bed, so remember, like and subscribe down below. See you guys next time.